In a joint statement, they say mitigating the risk of extinction from AI, yes, extinction, should be a global priority alongside other societal scale risks such as pandemics and nuclear war. The warning comes as the federal government releases 2 discussion papers today, starting a conversation around regulating artificial intelligence in Australia.
I think a lot of people understand that AI has become a part of their lives in either ways that they do know or it's just in the background, but there's clearly a community concern about whether or not the technology is getting ahead of itself and what curbs are there to make sure that we recognise the risk and deal with it. Well, I think we've seen over the course of the last 6 months some of the versions of ChatGPT that have been released, generative AI that's come out, that has made people think, wow, this is advanced in terms of its development beyond what we appreciated. The most recent example being robo-debt. And if you don't have deep thought applied to the way in which all that is set up, and if it does impact people's lives in the way that, for example, robo-debt did, that's a real issue, and we don't want to have those repetitions.
There's a really good side to AI,
yes,
but then there's the dark side to AI, scams and things like that.
Yeah, and I think, and that point that you just made is really crucial, because AI, if used correctly, can make a difference.